Hey guys, so today I wanted to tell you one of the main reasons why you should save money as a business owner. The thing is, you never know when disaster is going to strike your business, you never know when things are going to go wrong, and you never know when absolute mayhem is going to break out or you're not going to get clients. Sometimes there are moments in life which you don't see happening that can come and kick you hard. All right, so saving money for these times is really, really valuable. I get that people like to go on holiday, and yeah, sure, have a holiday if you've got a lot of money saved up, but it's really, really important to have at least 6 months worth of money saved up just in case you get hit by a long stretch of really, really bad stuff happening. Now, if you're doing stuff like this and you're saving money as a business owner, it is going to benefit you so much in the long run, because even in those circumstances where you've got a business that is fine all year round, you never know when something might go wrong. So it's really, really important to take the time and energy to save your money rather than going out and spending it all, even if it means sacrificing a holiday here or there. Because you wouldn't believe the amount of times I've seen people go off on holiday, come back, and they've come back to absolute total mayhem, and the business is falling apart. So it's really, really important for you as a business owner to at least make sure you got something saved up for those rainy days when something bad happens. Anyway, take care. Bye.